how to enable recent files in Finder on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to quickly access your recently used files on Mac, Finder makes that easy with the recent folder. Here is how to enable and use it. First, open up Finder. Then you need to head over to Finder at the top menu and then go to settings and then make sure recents is checked under the favorite section. So this is in the sidebar option. Just make sure recents is ticked and then that's it. This will show recents on the Finder as soon as you open it and it will give you faster access. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.